Why am I in a dark room? Well, I'm gonna review this Sainyer projector, and I want to thank Sainyer for sending this to me to review. Let's go ahead and open the box. Quick look at what's in the box. I was actually surprised. I didn't know this. It does have the HDMI cord. It's got a remote. It's got the power, and this is the projector. This adjusts 270 degrees. I'm having a hard time doing it with my one hand, but you can move this around like this. All right, here we go. This is the projector right here. I don't know if you can hear it. You can hear the fan. I don't care what projector you have. Most these days, especially something this inexpensive, is going to have a pretty loud fan. Not too bad once you get things going. Let's go ahead and take a listen to the speaker and the picture. This is just one of my videos.
Hundreds, a single flower bulb worth more than a mansion. People gambled their life savings, their homes, even their family treasures just to own one. They called it tulip mania.
The speaker is actually pretty loud. You cannot adjust things directly from the projector. The only thing you can do is power it on and you can focus. Now, another thing to keep in mind is it is very light. It's just plastic. I'm gonna say it does not feel substantial. So when you have wires hooked in like this, those are gonna move it. And so just keep that in mind. At this price point, I mean, the picture looks pretty darn good. Now I'm 3 feet away, so I can go further and it's gonna get bigger. I could not figure out how to do keystoning, which is as you go higher up, it's gonna look kind of strange. If you go like that, you'll see it starts to angle. But I'm kind of impressed with the picture. I've had projectors since 2000, and I spent $4,000 on my first one. This is way less. This looks pretty good, but to manage your expectations, just realize that this is very light. It's just plastic and it's not substantial. There's HDMI, there's the power cord, it can do USB, and then there's headphones out. So it's got everything you need. I'm not impressed with the speaker on this, but I was never impressed with my $4,000 projector speaker. So that is very important to keep in mind. So I'd say, you know, if this is for your kids for a video game, relying on the speaker here would be fine, but you can put in headphones. You can, you know, with the phono out, you can add stuff. But yeah, I mean, honestly, I'm pretty impressed. Again, just manage your expectations with this thing. There's your menu. You can choose your HDMI media, wired screen. I don't even know what that is. I don't have a wired screen. And then here's the main menu where you can choose the wired screen settings. I think this might be a winner, especially if you can get in on a really good deal, but just keep those expectations not too high. But I think if you do that, you'll be very happy. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.